Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool Agitator part #W11550891. The Whirlpool Agitator part #W11550891 is a replacement part for Whirlpool washing machines. It is a direct drive agitator that helps to move the clothes around in the washer during the wash cycle. The agitator is made of durable plastic and has a metal shaft that fits into the washer's transmission. The agitator also has fins on the bottom that help to create a whirlpool effect, which helps to move the clothes around more efficiently. This part is designed to fit specific models of Whirlpool washing machines and should be replaced if it becomes worn. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is an agitator repair kit and is used to fix issues with the agitator not spinning or moving properly. It can also be used to fix issues with the agitator making loud noises or being noisy during operation. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the washing machine from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the agitator cap from the top of the agitator by unscrewing it with a screwdriver. 3. Remove the old agitator by unscrewing it with a screwdriver and pulling it out of the washer tub. 4. Place the new Whirlpool Agitator part #W11550891 into the washer tub and secure it with screws. 5. Place the agitator cap back onto the top of the agitator and secure it with screws. 6. Plug in your washing machine and test to make sure that your new Whirlpool Agitator part #W11550891. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS to order residential appliance parts.